How to add your website link to your profile on your Pinterest. Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to do this. Just watch this video till the end. So first, as you know, you have to open your Pinterest app like this. After this, come directly and open your profile. Right now, on your profile, come here to this three line at the top of the screen, 3 point, and come to settings again. Click again on profile or public profile and go to the last one, website. Here you will add your website, for example www.inapp.com, and click down, and that's it. When I will come to my profile, I will see that I already have a website here. So that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you in another videos.